Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about DHCP via server and DHCP Relay Agent, because in last practical of DHCP we have discussed when we have created the pool of IP address and default gateway and network command. But today we are going to make this server as a DHCP server, and also we will provide IP address to this PC with the help of DHCP Relay Agent. So first of all, I'm going to configure this network as I am taking interface FA0 by 0 IP address 192.168.1.1, no shutdown, and for F0 by 1 192.168 192.168.2.1 255 0. So both the links are up. Now I want to make this server as DHCP. So what I have to do? So I have to give manual IP address to this DHCP server first. 192.168.1.2. 192.168.1.1 is the gateway, because my this fast Ethernet port IP is 1.1. So first of all I have to check the pinging here. It is successful. Now I have to create DHCP pool here. So by default we have pool here and default gateways, and I'm not using DNS, so there is no need of DNS. But if you want to use, then you can use any random IP. It's up to you. And now your start IP address should be from 1.3. Maximum number of user, I have only one, but you can change it to up to you. So it is based on your subnet mask. Now you have to on the pool. When you will click on this and click on DHCP, then they will provide you IP address automatically. Now this PC is already configured with the help of DHCP. Now how to configure IP address on this interface? Because if I am using direct DHCP here, then it will give you a PIP address, automatic private IP address, and DHCP will be failed because there is no server in this network. So in this condition we have to use DHCP Relay Agent. For DHCP Relay Agent I have to go on the router, and on interface FA0 by 1 I have to use command IP helper address, and I have to give destination address here. So what is my DHCP address? 192.168.1.2. This command I have used, but only with this command the process will not be successful. I have to make another pool, server pool 2, and I have to give default gateway 2.1 as well as 2.3 and add. So I have server pool 2 now. Now it will take IP from this server and provide to this. You will go for fast forward and you can check now same IP, same DHCP server that is on different network provide IP address to this PC. But it is providing IP address. I think it is choosing the pool name. It choose the pool different, so I have to change the pool here. Yes, no, it's okay. Pool name is, this is one network. Actually I have mistakenly write something here like this. Okay, so this is right, and 192.168.2.3 is this PC's IP. 192.168.1.2 this IP. Actually I have written IP address 1.0 here and 1.2.0 here. So that's why this was a mistake, but there is no mistake in this. So this is the concept of DHCP server and DHCP Relay Agent. Thank you so much.